Hey tribe, it is your mom of three in NYC, and I'm actually on my way in now. I'm so nervous. I'm not really sure why I'm nervous, but I really am about getting these Invisaligns. I trust my dentist implicitly. I've been going to Dr. Samuellen for 22 years now, and so, long story short, at night I grind my teeth. I grind my teeth at night. And so I have been wearing mouth guards for years now, 10 years now. And so I've had every kind of mouth guard you can even imagine. And they're all specially molded for me, these mouth guards. Either a full one on every tooth. I've had them top and bottom. I've had all sorts of mouth guards. And eventually, either I'll grind my teeth so much that I'll crack the mouth guard so it's no longer of any use, or it's made of a really hard plastic. It'll eventually stretch out over time. And so at my cleaning 3 weeks ago, I go for a cleaning 3 times a year, every 4 months. Yeah, every 4 months. He noticed that my teeth have actually begun to move. And I'm not really sure how much is too much of TMI, but I'm getting little spaces in between my teeth because of the grinding. And so to counteract that, I mean, my grinding is so bad, guys, that I've had Botox actually injected at my temples. Hold on, it's kind of noisy. It really is your mom of three in NYC. I've even had Botox to kind of relax the muscle that I use to grind my teeth in my sleep. So I'm sleeping. I have no idea I'm doing it, right? And so it's given me migraines. It's gotten pretty bad. But the mouth guards have worked for years, but unfortunately my teeth have now begun to move. I mean, not only have I gotten Botox, I actually cracked a molar because of grinding, and I had to get a crown. A porcelain crown over my back molar because it's crazy. I never realized how noisy New York is. All right, so the grinding is so bad that I've cracked a molar, had to get a crown. I've had to get Botox to help with the muscles. Also, I have chipped my front tooth. I've cracked it. And so I've had to get my front tooth shaved down, which was heartbreaking. And so at the cleaning 3 weeks ago, he's like, your teeth are shifting. I said, well, let's just do veneers, right? Because eventually it may lead to that. Let's just go ahead and get those now. But according to my dentist and my dental hygienist, Patricia, who I'm obsessed with, they say my teeth are great, strong, and they're beautiful. And so he suggested, well, no, he didn't suggest, he told me I'm getting Invisaligns. And I'm really, really nervous about it. I'm not sure why, because I've had braces. I had braces 6th grade through 8th grade, and I absolutely loved it. I wanted braces. I used to take a paper clip, and pretend it was a retainer as a child. So I wanted braces. I got braces. I had loved braces. So that was a really, really good experience. And so it's crazy that in my grown age, my teeth have begun to shift. And so he said, my smile is great, and that with Invisaligns for 18 months, it'll close some of the spacing that have begun in my mouth. And Hubsters had Invisaligns last year, and his smile is beautiful now. So I'm not really sure why I'm so nervous, but I really am. And so I just thought I would take you guys with me. Having you guys with me makes me feel much better, believe it or not. Having you guys to talk to. So this is my Invisalign journey, day 1. So at my cleaning 3 weeks ago, they took a computer image of my teeth and then my smile straight into the side to send to the lab to make my first set. So if I understood correctly, I'll be coming back every few weeks to get my new tray of Invisaligns. So I know there's a lot of brushing of my teeth that have to happen. I'm nervous, guys. I don't know why. It's gonna be okay. And like I said, I've been going to this dentist for 22 years. I trust him completely. He has never led me astray. Everything he's ever suggested, mouth guards, etc., has always been spot on. And so, yeah, I'm not sure if this is too much information, if you guys really want to see inside my mouth like this. But I have like space coming right there, some space coming right there, and then some space in the middle front teeth that has begun to happen. And so the plan is to get Invisaligns for 18 months and then get a whole new mouth guard. That's the plan. His office is in Chelsea. I'm so sorry, it's so loud. If I have to do what Hubsters did, like he had to brush his teeth after every meal, I mean, it really is a big commitment. So, don't be nervous, Taneza. You got this, girl. So I guess this is the before. That's the before. So with the Invisaligns, these are 12 to 18 months. We'll close all the gaps. Make sure that my teeth remain nice and straight. And like I said, Dr. Samuelen is amazing. He owns the Gotham Dental Practice. It's near Union Square. If you want the information, shoot me a message. I got you. But like I have sent my Hubsters, he had another dentist. We got married. I said, no, you gotta go. Dr. Samuelen's the best. He's the best. He's the best. So let's get this smile straighter, less spacing. So I will definitely keep you guys in the loop. Like I mentioned, my appointment, I just came for a cleaning, my normal cleaning. And he saw that my teeth had begun to shift, and so he had a plan to counteract it. And so today is day 1 of that plan, Invisaligns, and I'm gonna bring you guys with me through the entire process. It's gonna be new for me. All right, tribe. I will see you soon.